I want to look at the trig ratio for angle angles 30, 45, 60. Okay, so let's take the one of 45 first. 45, we have isosceles triangle whereby this place and this place are the same. So you can make it 1 unit. Okay, it's a right angle triangle. Then, if you use Pythagorean theorem, then you have what? Root 2 here. So that's that. Then your angle is 45 is there. Okay. So sine 45 will be equal to opposite. I'm using SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Opposite, that's 1 over hypotenuse 1 over root 2. If you rationalize it, because this is a radical, we can remove this radical by multiplying by root 2 here times root 2 here, and that will be root 2 over 2. So what over cos 45? Cos 45 is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse, it's also 1 over root 2. And that's equal to what? That's equal to root 2 over 2. So sine 45 and cos 45, they are the same thing, though they're complementary to each other. And then tan 45 is 1 over 1, opposite over adjacent. That's 1 over 1, that's 1. So that's for angle 45. Let's see another one for 30 and 60. I'm going to look at the equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal. Equilateral triangle. You can use any value you like. Just make sure that they have equal side. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2. Okay, but I'm trying to divide this into 2 equal parts. Okay, if they are equilateral, then this will be 60, this will be 60, this also will be 60. But since there is a line that bisect into 2 equal parts, so this will be 30, this also will be 30. Okay, so let's try to label the diagram. You can label it as you like. Let's say A, I don't like what to call it, D, P, call this N. So you have two triangle there, you have triangle DAN, and there's also another one also. So if you solve this, if you cut one of them out, because they are equal, halfway. So this is 2 here. Once there is a line here that bisects it into 2 equal parts, so these 2 will become 1. So this is 1, this is 2. Then you can get this place, and this place is equal to what? Root 2 squared minus 1, and that's what? Root 3. Okay, whichever side you cap out, you take out, you still get this place with what? To be root 3. I hope that one is clear. So which one we should start from now? Let's start from sine 60. Sine 60 is what? Opposite over hypotenuse. The hypotenuse, that's 2. That's 2. Cos 60. That's half 1 over 2 adjacent hypotenuse. Then tan 60. Tan 60 is tan 60 root 3. 2 opposites adjacent is root 3. Is root 3. So that's that on this case. Okay. Then let's go to sine 30. Sine 30 is here is a 30. Opposite over hypotenuse, that's half. So you can see now that sine 30 and cos 30 are the same thing. Sine 30 is equal to what? Is equal to cos 60. They are both what? Half. They are complementary. Okay, or we can call them their co-functions. What again? Cos 30. Cos 30 will be adjacent hypotenuse. SOHCAHTOA. Sorry, I'm using this one. Cos 30 adjacent root 3 over what? Over 2. And then tan 30 will be tan 30 with opposite over what? Over adjacent 1 over root 3. And then you can rationalize this one, and that's what? Root 3 over 3. So that's that on this aspect. Let's look at it again. Tan 30, that's true. Opposite adjacent 1 over root 3. Yeah, that's correct. Cos 30, cos 30 is root 3 adjacent over hypotenuse root 3 over 2. Okay, and sine 30 is done. So that's that on this something. You don't have to memorize this trig ratio for either 30, 45, 60. All you have to do is just have this diagram in front of you. So anytime you want to use it, you use it. Okay. So that's that on that. Let's the applications of that. Is sine 120. The value is in what? It's in second quadrant. Now we got what? Sine 180 minus theta. This is your theta. That's what? Sine 60. And then sine 60 is opposite over adjacent. That's root 3. Sine 60 that's root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Sine 60. That's root 3 over 2. Second one, tan minus 135. This will be equal to, first of all, I've told us that tan minus theta is minus what? Tan theta. So first thing we do, let's do minus tan 135. So that's the first thing we will do. So then, again, minus tan 135. Let's open the brackets. Tan 135 is the second quadrant. So, so 135 is the second quadrant. So that means it falls in what? It falls in second quadrant, and that will be negative for tangent. So that will be my negative tan 180 minus 135. Okay. So minus here will become plus, and that's tan 45. Let's go to tan 45. That's tan 45. If you do this subtraction, and tan 45 is what? It's 1. Okay, tan 45 is 1. 315. Tan 315. This value falls in fourth quadrant, and we are given tangent. So that means it will be minus tan. And what is the rule in fourth quadrant? In fourth quadrant, that's 360 minus 315. And that's equal to minus what? Tan what? Tan 45. And tan 45 is 1. So that's negative 1. Okay? And the next one, the fourth one, cos minus 240, which is equal to, firstly, it will be positive, cos 240, because we have listed tan minus theta. Cos minus theta is cos theta. Okay? The cos of negative function is positive. Then the next thing to do now, this value now, 240 is in third quadrant. And in third quadrant, what do we have there? Because it doesn't fall in cosine region, so it will be minus cos. In third quadrant, we have 180 plus what? Plus 60. Okay? And that will be equal to what? And that will be equal to minus cos 60. And cos 60 is what? Cos 60 is half. That's minus this half. That's minus half. Okay? And if you want to use this method, you can do it another way, where we have cos or cos 240 okay, will be equal to minus um, cos. In third quadrant, the value 240 minus what? Minus 180. That's another way you can do it. That value minus so it could be 270. That value you are given minus 180, and that will equal to minus cos cos 60, which is the same value. So that's minus half on that case. That's minus half on sine fifth one, sine 3 pi over 4. This is in radians, so what we can do, we need to change to degree. So which is 3 times 180 over 4. Let's do that. Last sine 135. Okay, and that's equal to sine 180 minus 135. So that's sine 45. And that's what? 1 over root 2 or 2 over 2. And the last one, tan minus 2 pi over 3. Okay? That will be equal to what? Minus tan 2 pi over 3. So 2 pi 360. 360 over 3. That's tan 120. Okay? And that will be equal to minus, let's open the bracket here. This value is in second region, second quadrant. So that will be, because it's not in tangent region, so that will be minus tan what? Tan 180 minus 120. So and that will be equal to what? Minus times minus, that's plus, that's tan 60. And the tan 60 is 2 adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan 60. Tan 60. This is 3. This is 2. This is 60. Opposites. This is 1. 1. Tan 60. 2 opposites over adjacent. That's 3. Over 1. Over 1. That's 3. Okay. So that's that on this question. So we are still in trigonometry, and the next topics we are going to is the addition formula. Okay, so please, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe right now. Subscribe.